last thing we're gonna do is add scales to our fish. This is easy. I think you guys will have fun with this part. We're gonna just make a bunch of rainbows and connect them. So we're gonna make a scale here. So I'm just making a rainbow, see? Rainbow, can you see that? Rainbow. And I'm gonna do it again here. And I'm just gonna keep adding rainbows where the scales are gonna be, okay? And then here's the thing. Wherever you added the last rainbow, make sure that the new rainbow is in the middle. So see that? My new rainbow is in the middle, okay? That makes it look more like scales, okay? So here, making sure my rainbow is in the middle, adding my scales. Middle of the two lines there, okay? I'm gonna keep adding scales all the way up my fish until I have all my scales in the body of my fish. And the bigger you make your scales, actually, so you can make big scales, that's totally fine. See how I'm making them bigger now? Big scales on my fish. Okay, I'm making bigger scales. You can make different size scales. The bigger scales you have, the easier it'll be to paint your scales later. Okay, if you have tiny scales, you might need to really be careful with your brush that you don't mess up when you go to paint. Okay, so you see how we have all the scales in, and now we have a koi fish. We're gonna paint our koi fish. But first we're gonna outline all of our lines in Sharpie and then we'll paint him, okay?